Okay, our meal tonight is going to be our pizza kit. Makes 2 pizzas. I've got the marinara in it, yeast packet, pepperoni, our Parmesan cheese, bacon bits, and mushrooms. I'm also going to cook up a little bit of sausage here in a little bit to go with it. But right now, I'm going to be cutting up our other toppings, which are going to be a jalapeno, some peppers, onion, and shredding up 1.5 blocks of cheese. So I'll bring you back when I get all that done. Okay, I've got sausage ready, pepperoni's out, pepper and onions cut, and the cheese grated. Now I'm going to work on our dough. Okay, I've got a cup of not hot, but warm water. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons. Hold on, there's something on my spoon. 2 teaspoons of oil to my hot water. Lay this out of the way. And I'm going to add in a pack of yeast. And get that mixed in together. I'm gonna mix up my dry. Oh, let me add my salt. I needed a teaspoon of salt. Just made a mess. All right, I'm gonna work in if I need to add a little more flour, I will. Just want to get it to a dough that I can knead. All right. So, I am going to knead this in the bowl with my hands for about 5 to 7 minutes. So, once I get that done, we're going to let it rest for a little bit, but let me do this and then I'll bring you back. Here's our dough. We're going to let it set for 15 minutes. All right, I've sprayed one of our pans. I'm spraying the other one. I've cut our dough in half, and I'm going to press it out into the pan the best we can. Get this. Keep working. hole right here. Pitch it back. Once you get it in your pan, you're going to poke holes in it, and we're going to pre-bake it in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I only cooked it for 5 minutes because this oven cooks so fast up here. We're going to use some of our marinara sauce. Let's start with that. I'm just going to spread it out. Okay. And we're gonna do peppers and onions. I'm gonna spread those jalapenos out. I don't want all of them in one bite. Okay, some of our onions. Okay. Half of our mushrooms from our can. Bacon bits. Part of our sausage on. Let the hand off. A little bit of Parmesan. And part of our mozzarella. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of our garlic and herb seasoning on top. And then we're going to bake it till our crust is done and our cheese is brown. Guys, this is the first one out. I didn't want to leave it too long because I didn't want to burn our crust in this oven. But it's starting to brown the cheese. We got the other ones in cooking. And I've also got some wings cooking for supper tonight. My niece and her fiance are coming over.